Hey, it's 2:20. We're at the Cretins Club House. Take a look around. Come on inside. It's always a big party going on here. You got
what's a Cretin?
Cretin is the the Ramones. We ain't no stopping. The Cretins are rocking.
Nice.
Hey, downtown they got the view. Check
Downtown.
it out. Yeah. We're right like Chinatown. Come on in. Check out. Look at this stuff. Fucking trippy shit going on. Outlaw bar. They're all rock and roll dudes. Motorcycle rides. Got Rick over there sitting down. He's the president. Steady stuff. Steve McQueen up on the wall. Yeah, good stuff. Come on this way. You guys hold it down over here.
Oh, Jerome Brown from Chicago.
Yeah, what's up?
Let's see those snipers. Are those Cretin birds?
Yeah, man. What do they call those? There used to be called names of beef eaters or something. I don't know. Elvis. We got the poker room here, pools, motorbikes, more stuff. There's always going on. Usually there's some girls dancing, but you know, I guess.
No girls, huh?
I know, it's a little bit depressing. These are the dance thing now.
There you have it. Thanks for turning me on to the Cretins Club House. Very nice.
Good one.
Lots of fun, my friend.
Yeah.
2:20 out.
Yeah. I'm out.